getting some more breaking news coming in right now, viewers. What we see right now is that Sandeep Sunny, who shot Sudhir Suri, Shiv Sena leader in Amritsar, to contest Lok Sabha polls. Now, what we see is that after Amritpal Singh, he will be the second one to contest polls from jail. So that is the big update. Sandeep Sunny will be contesting the polls. And this is coming in, viewers, as we told you earlier when we had broken this news a few days back that Amritpal Singh will be also contesting the polls from jail. So big update coming on Republic TV, viewers. Now remember that this story goes back to when Sandeep Singh alias Sunny had shot Shiv Sena leader Sudhir Suri in Punjab's Amritsar. This is the same Sandeep Sunny we're talking about. Let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us. Gursimran is joining us live. Gursimran, take us through, what these developments really indicate. Of course, a murder accused is going to contest the Lok Sabha polls.
Yes, a murder accused in Punjab is going to be the candidate of the Lok Sabha polls from the Amritsar Lok Sabha seat. Sandeep Singh alias Sunny, who is the killer of, he was caught in a broad daylight. There are many videos and photos of him when he shot dead Sudhir Suri, the leader of Shiv Sena, on November 4th, 2022, when he was sitting on a dharna. It was done in a public glare, full police presence, and he was shot dead, Sudhir Suri, after which he was arrested. He was sent to the central jail. Right now, he's in central jail. There were many of the issues that were related to him. He decried of the foul play. He said that he has life-threatening threats from many of the dreaded gangsters and so on and so. But one thing, the main thing is that he's going to be candidate. He, as per the poster that has been released, is the Panthik candidate by many of the Jathebandis, which you call the religious groups. He's the candidate. Now it is to be interesting to be seen because the Congress is having their sitting MP Gurjit Ojla once again from the same seat. The BJP has brought in the former IFS and the Indian ambassador to the United States, Taranjit Singh Sandhu, from the same seat. Shiromani Akali Dal has Anil Joshi, who has a good hold on ground. He's former BJP leader. And when it comes to the Aam Aadmi Party, they have their sitting minister Dhaliwal, who is MLA and a sitting minister from the same constituency. So it will be interesting to see how things actually pan out. But the entry of those behind the bars is taking a new step in Punjab after Amritpal Singh, the Waris Punjab, the chief, booked under the NSA and presently in the Assam's Dibrugarh jail, is going to contest from the Khadur Sahib Lok Sabha seat. And now the second name is the killer of the Shiv Sena leader Sudhir Suri. It is Sandeep Singh Sunny who is going to contest from the Amritsar Lok Sabha seat, Shivangi.
All right, thank you for getting us to the details coming in. Sandeep Sunny, who shot Sudhir Suri, a Shiv Sena leader in Amritsar, will be contesting Lok Sabha polls. After Amritpal Singh, he is the second one to contest the polls from jail.